How to translate PDF to any language. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your PDF. As you can see, I've got this Japanese PDF right here. So if I want to translate this to English, what I'm going to do here is first open up Google Chrome and then head over to drive.google.com. And once you land on my Drive page, what you can do is simply go ahead and create a new Word document, because Google Docs allows you to simply uh, go ahead and translate any files. So I'm just going to click on File Upload, head over to my desktop because that's where my PDF is. I'm going to go ahead and upload my PDF right here. So once you upload your PDF successfully to your drive, all you have to do is right click on it, go to Open With, and then open it on Google Docs. Once you open this on Google Docs, you should be able to get your text translated without any problem. Now, once you open up this on Google Docs, all you have to do is head over to the Tools tab and then click on Translate Document. Now, you can choose this new document's title. Choose the language that you want to translate it to. So let me just search for English. You could do any other language as well. So click on Translate, and it will open up a completely new document that has the translated text. So that's how you basically translate any PDF to any language on Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.